Hey y'all, welcome back to Hey Mom, What's for Dinner? And today it's Sunday and it's about 108 degrees outside, so there's absolutely no reason for me to be out there in that heat. So I thought I'd try a new recipe. And I have a ton of blueberries left over from the time my kids went blueberry picking last month in East Texas. So I wanted another recipe to where I could use up some more blueberries. So I'm going to show you how to make homemade blueberry jam, and it's pretty easy. So you're gonna take your pot and put it on medium-high heat. You just need a few ingredients. I have 2 cups of blueberries, 3/4 cup of sugar, and a tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice, and it's all going in the pot. I'm just going to stir it around a bit and smash a few blueberries with the back of my wooden spoon. And we're going to let this come to a nice rolling boil. Now it's been just a few minutes and it's already come to a rolling boil. So you want to take your potato masher, if you have one, and go in there and mash it as much as you can until most of the blueberries have burst. And you want to cook it for 10 more minutes. So every so often, you want to give it a little stir and another little mash. And this color is really pretty. It's a really deep purple color. I remember my mom in the kitchen in the summertime when we picked the plums from our backyard. We had one plum tree, just one, and it made so much plum jelly. We had a ton of plums in our backyard. And so I can remember her buying jars and sterilizing all the jars and filling those up. It smelled so good in the kitchen when you cooked down the plums. And she would give them away as little gifts, little treats for neighbors and friends and family. All right. Plum jelly is probably my favorite. I've never had blueberry jam, so I'm excited about having this. Look at it. Come in tight while it's bubbling. Wow, look at this color. Look how pretty. This will go great on a toasted English muffin or on top of pancakes. Or if you have waffles, this will be a great topping for your waffles too. All right, it's been 10 minutes and now I'm gonna check the temperature because at 220 degrees Fahrenheit, that's when you know it's done. So I have my little handy dandy thermometer, it's digital. I'm gonna put it in slightly and let it sit in there for about a minute to get the accurate temperature. Okay, so it's done. For now, we're going to let it come to room temperature in the mason jar. And I have a large mason jar and it says it is about 1.5 cups right here. So to make things easier, I'm going to pour the blueberry jam in this measuring cup that has a spout so I don't get it everywhere. I'll be very careful because it is hot. Look how beautiful the color is. It's a dark, rich, deep purple color. So it looks like it's measuring a little over a cup after it's been reduced down. So we're gonna pour it into this mason jar. All right, there it is. It's still very hot to the touch. Just gonna clean the edges off a little bit. Once this comes to room temperature, you're gonna seal it up and put it in the refrigerator. It may take a day for it to completely set and thicken, but it'll be good for 10 days after that in the fridge. It's breakfast time and I can't wait to try out the blueberry jam. And I think my son has actually already been in it. I believe he made himself a peanut butter and jelly sandwich late last night. So he got to taste it first. Gonna a little butter. And let's put some jam right there on the biscuit. Wow, this actually turned out pretty good. It's nice and thick. And there you have it.